How to fix security policy prevents the use of camera issue in Samsung and if your camera is not working. The reason is this is you might have enabled a setting within developer options. So scroll down and go to the about phone section and scroll down and go to software information and multiple tap on the build number in order to enable developer options for your device. Then tap the continue button. Once you've allowed developer option, just come back and scroll down and select developer options. From here you want to look for the option called quick setting developer tiles, and here you can see sensor off option. This could have been enabled. You can simply disable this, and if you scroll down from your quick settings also, you can try to disable your sensors from there. After you've done that, if this is not helping you solve the problem, come back and go to the option general management. From general management you want to scroll down again and look for the option called reset. Now tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. Don't worry, we are not going to reset your phone. We're only going to reset the settings that you have changed back to its default value. So if you accidentally change any setting that is preventing the use of camera, this setting should help you solve it. And after that, restart your device to see if that helps you. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this.